Raksha Bandhan, a vibrant and cherished festival in India, is observed on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Shravan, which generally falls in August. The festival's name is derived from two Sanskrit words, Raksha, meaning protection, and Bandhan, meaning bond. The ultimate purpose of Raksha Bandhan is to celebrate and strengthen the loving relationship between brothers and sisters. The origins of Raksha Bandhan are rooted in ancient Indian traditions and mythology. One popular legend traces the festival back to the epic Mahabharata. According to this tale, Draupadi, the wife of the Pandavas, once tied a piece of cloth around Lord Krishna's wrist to stop a wound from bleeding. In return, Krishna vowed to protect her. This act of mutual protection and commitment forms the essence of Raksha Bandhan. Another significant legend involves the Hindu gods and goddesses. It is said that on this day, the goddess Lakshmi tied a sacred thread around King Bali's wrist, symbolizing protection and a bond of devotion. This story further emphasizes the festival's theme of safeguarding loved ones and celebrating familial ties. During Raksha Bandhan, sisters perform a ritual where they tie a rakhi, a decorative thread or bracelet, around their brother's wrists. This thread symbolizes the sister's love and prayers for her brother's well-being and success. In return, brothers offer gifts, promise protection, and reaffirm their commitment to look after their sisters. This exchange is accompanied by sweets and festive meals, adding to the celebratory atmosphere. The festival also signifies the deeper, spiritual bond of protection and care beyond mere familial ties. It underscores values of trust, respect, and affection. The ultimate goal is to reinforce the protective relationship between siblings and extend this spirit of protection and care to friends and family. Raksha Bandhan transcends regional and cultural boundaries within India and among the Indian diaspora. While traditionally celebrated by Hindus, the festival has gained popularity among other communities due to its universal themes of love and protection. The manner of celebration can vary, with some regions incorporating unique customs and rituals. However, the core essence remains the same, a heartfelt acknowledgement of the special bond shared between siblings. In contemporary times, Raksha Bandhan also serves as a reminder of the importance of familial bonds in a rapidly changing world. Despite modern lifestyles and geographical distances, the festival provides an opportunity for siblings to connect, celebrate, and express their affection for one another. It is a time to delve into family traditions and values, renewing relationships and creating lasting memories. Overall, Raksha Bandhan is not just a festival but a celebration of the deep and enduring bond between brothers and sisters. It reflects the cultural richness of India and its emphasis on relationships and protection, making it a significant occasion for families to come together and honor their shared commitments and love.